Hey, it's Timmy Gibson. I'm down here on the Country Club Plaza and down here by the Miracle Bar, just to give you a little taste of what's going on. And I mean, the snow is drifting and piling up. It is quite crazy down here. Again, Timmy Gibson down on the Country Club Plaza. I know normally I don't do any kind of weather videos, but since I live fairly close to the Country Club Plaza, I figured I would come down here for all those that live in Kansas City and love the Country Club Plaza like I do, can just get a little taste of what it's looking like right now. And it's just, dead, of course. But get over here. I forgot my gloves. Silly me. This is where Zocalo used to be. Zocalo, anybody remember Zocalo? It's now empty, like so many stores down here. For all my normal subscribers and listeners, I posted a video earlier for you today. A little alleyway here down by Messenger Coffee right here. If you've not been to Messenger Coffee down on the Country Club Plaza, it's awesome. Is it Benjamin Franklin? It sits there. Every time I walk by, I always feel weird because I feel like it's a real person. Oh, wow. Yeah. They're piling up. You'll see. Okay. That used to be a McDonald's and the theater. I don't know if you remember that. Way back in the day. But see that pile? You can't tell. I'll get down there. And then right behind me was a failed attempt at something. I don't know. They were going to do something down there. They're plowing the streets. Still got the lights on, which is beautiful. Look at that. Oh gosh. Oh man. I don't know if you can see, the snowflakes are pretty big though. Oh my gosh, the fountain's still going? I mean, look how big. You still can't really tell. Let me get over here. I mean, it's taller than I am. There. If I do like that, you can get a little bit better picture of it. Actually, I'm going to stay on the street. It's easier to walk. Unless that guy's coming. The famous little penguins, dancing penguins. The plaza, the Country Club Plaza, Urban Outfitters for all you 20-somethings. Oh, man. '1492, Columbus ship Santa Maria, dedicated to all the third grade students of Greater Kansas City now and the future for the 500th anniversary of the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus. Isn't there some debate on that? Actually, who was first here? Is Christopher Columbus Native American? I don't think so. Goodness gracious, it's cold. This is where the old Victoria's Secret used to be. Well, I don't know what else is there to see down here. Goodness gracious. Yeah, well, like I said, those that normally watch my videos, this is not normally what I do, but I figured since this was like the snowstorm of the century, I might as well come down here and do a little plaza walkabout. There's O'Dowd's right there. Amazing Lash Studio right there. Goodness gracious. Oh gosh, that's deep. I mean, I don't know what we've got, O'Dowd's. I don't know what we've got already, snow-wise, but I mean, it's deep. I don't know. 4 or 5 inches, I would say. I'm guessing. I mean, obviously there's drifts that are much more than that. Goodness gracious. This snow it's actually going to be perfect for snowman building, which is what I want to do later with my wife and kids. Well, I think you guys have probably seen enough, I would imagine. Let's see right over here. Oh man. One more little hot spot down here. God bless America, man. We're gonna see what's up. This is a little back alleyway. Used to take it from Zocala, which used to be back here. You need to walk over here to the Grand Falloon. Due to the weather, they have a little sign on the door. Due to the weather, we will be closed tonight and Sunday for the safety of our employees. Good. That's smart. Places. You know what? I should probably mention this. Normally I wouldn't do this, but I heard someone that works from, we got people driving here. Someone that works at, I think it's P.F. Chang's. They said that Graham and Dunn here. P.F. Chang's, I guess, emailed their employees and said, if you call in because you can't get here or the weather, you're automatic termination. Oh, P.F. Chang's. No wonder you're dying as an organization. We want profit over the public safety. Profit over the people. That's the American way. Oh, gosh. All right. I'm headed home. I got a while to walk here. So I'll probably cut this broadcast short. What I'll do is I'll come back and do this again. Just FYI. yeah, I'll come back. Whew. I think I'm going to end it with it right over here by the Miracle. That's a great spot to end. All right, I'll come back, guys, a little bit later on just to give you a little bit some more information on Kansas City Country Club Plaza. Timmy Gibson. Have a great day, guys.